Hey, what's going on, all my beautiful people? It's your boy Marlon O Bennett. In this video today, guys, we're going to be talking about text message marketing, text message marketing review on YouTube. I'm going to be talking about how to use text message marketing in your advertising. This is a very powerful technique that you guys can use to start implementing to do many things. And as always, my wife would be calling me now. Let me see. Okay, I'm just gonna let it go to. Sorry, guys. Okay, look, listen, guys. Let's talk about text message marketing in this text message marketing review on YouTube, and I'm gonna show you guys a strategy that you can start implementing right now today. Okay. Now, you probably already have a great business opportunity, right? What you need is more exposure for your business. Now, let's talk about this because in today's video, we're talking about text message marketing and how to use text message marketing in your business. This particular strategy that I'm going to share with you guys can be implemented with Craigslist, using classified ads. It can be used on postcards, flyers, Facebook, on YouTube. Wherever you want to use this strategy, guys, you can use it. So what I want to do today is give you guys an actual demo of the system that I'm talking about. And I want you guys to see how simple and easy and witness for yourself this particular strategy can be when we talk about implementing text message marketing. Now, on your screen, you can see a number, and I'm talking about the demo, and the number is 301-298-3842. That's 301-298-3842. What I want you guys to do for the illustration of this demonstration is I want you to dial that number. Then I want you to check your mobile device's text message inbox, okay? Dial that number, then check your mobile device's text message inbox. Now, here's the cool thing. You don't have to worry about opting in to any list. I just want you guys to see so you can understand the power of using text message marketing this way. Now, you'll see where it redirects. If you're checking your mobile device inbox, you're going to hear a small or a little short message by my wife. And after my wife finishes that messages, what the system does is it automatically, instantly triggers a text message to the person on the other end, which in this case would be you, to their mobile device's text message inbox. Now, you can use this particular system to redirect to a capture page if you wanted to build your list, or you can use it to redirect wherever you want to. But remember, I said this is a strategy that can be implemented with Craigslist, using classified ads on postcards, business cards, flyers, Facebook, YouTube, wherever you want to implement it, right? So when we talk about looking for new and creative, innovative ways of getting more exposure for your business, then this is one that you definitely want to consider. Now, I'm going to tell you guys before I go over there, if you guys should decide to pick up this incredible system, which we're going to talk a little bit more about in a minute, I'm going to give you guys 100 pre-written Facebook marketing ads, right, that you can use on social media in conjunction with that actual phone number that you'll be able to pick up today. I'm going to show you guys Craigslist marketing and training. We're going to throw some bonus training in here for you guys to, you can watch this training and it'll show you how you can use these ads with Craigslist. And for all you guys who want to start driving traffic to the actual page after I show it to you, we're talking about SMS phone leads, by the way. And I'm using Newbies on Fire in an example in terms of where this text message is being redirected once you dial that numbers. But at any rate, if you want to, once you see this and you pick up the system, you can actually start driving traffic to it as an affiliate, and you can actually share it with your particular team with their marketing strategy so they can, you're talking about just building a huge business, right? Now, guys, let's pop over here real quick, and I'm going to show you guys exactly what it is I'm talking about. SMS phone leads, guys, is going to already come with your very own capture page. And what you're looking at is an actual capture page that your prospects can come through. And on this particular capture page, they can actually calculate the amount of money that they're able to make because the system's only $37. And that's one time. No recurring payments here, guys. I have to say this. I just picked up a $197 payment a couple of weeks ago from someone I didn't even know. And if you're watching this video, I appreciate it. I just had stopped using SMS phone leads because Tim Berger, the actual creator of the system, had reconfigured the system, guys. But I can tell you it's back, it's brand new. I made quite a bit of money using the SMS phone lead system, and I've also been able to build a list through both classified and Craigslist advertising. I actually was at that time was putting together a new program I was calling Dialing for Dollars. And what I was doing was I was redirecting, I was prompting my prospects to dial the number, and I was giving away $10 in cash to whoever a specified caller would be. But that was at the onset of me using SMS phone leads. I'm kind of getting off subject, so let's go on over here, guys, and talk about SMS phone leads. And this is the actual sales page. Again, if you want to become an affiliate using this program, using this incredible system, you're more than welcome to join at the one-time, very low price, $37. But that's not what I'm here to talk about today, guys. I'm here to talk about what you actually are going to be able to do with it. So I will leave this page in the YouTube video description or right below in the, when you guys continue. You'll be on this page and you'll get to see all the incredible benefits of using the SMS phone lead system. I can tell you it's been reconfigured by Tim, and that's the way I made that $197, guys. Even after I stopped promoting this, and people were still picking up the SMS phone leads from me because I have several videos on YouTube on it, but because there's a funnel that your prospects will come through, and this particular person came all the way through the funnel, guys. I think, and anyway, you guys will get to learn a lot more about everything that you receive. And remember, guys, we're talking about a one-time $37 payment. The benefits and the power and the importance of what you're going to be able to do with this are totally off the charts. You'll see some other testimonials from some other people. I thought mine would be in there. It should be. But anyway, again, that's not what this is about. It's about letting you guys in on the fact that if you want more exposure for your business, then using a system such as this will actually enable you to do it. If you dial that number that I actually gave you and you redirect it, you see how powerful this can be. And again, that text message is instantly triggered to your potential prospects' mobile device as soon as they dial that number. Now, what I want to bring your special attention to is how simple it is to actually set up what you just experienced in that demo. You have a page that looks like this once you're inside. And I think it's 5 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 steps. I'm only using 3 of the steps in this example. You can use as many or a minimum of 3 like I'm doing, because all you're going to do is you're going to record a simple voice message, and you'll have an MP3 player inside of here where you can do that. Once you do, you can upload the files to that voice responder, and it will actually connect to the number that you're going to be assigned once you actually pick up the system. Then, guys, you will work your way on down through step 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. You determine the ones you want to use, and voila, guys, in less than 5 minutes, you can have it all set up. I actually had a guy join me a few months back, and one of my buddies, he couldn't set it up, so we actually got on a phone call. I had him pull up his SMS phone lead screen like this one, and I walked them through the entire process. I think it took us about 10 minutes to get it done. That's how easy it is to set the system up. But here's the other cool thing that's going on inside the SMS phone lead system, guys. What Tim has done is he's put in here what he calls an interactive phone funnel. It's an SMS phone leads interactive. It's a phone funnel. This is really cool, and this was what he was working on once he was transitioning into changing the system around. So what you're going to be able to do here, and this is as an alternative to using the text message broadcast phone trigger system that you just saw. You either use one or the other. Now, I have several accounts, so I'm doing both. So what's going to happen with your interactive SMS phone funnel, you really just can cut out all the technical stuff altogether. You don't have to record any messages. You don't have to do anything, guys, because once you join, give me 1 second, guys, I have to pick up this. Okay, guys, so what's going to happen is if you want to use the actual interactive phone SMS phone funnel, is you're going to be on a page that looks like this, right? Now, what you're going to be able to do here is you can either promote the SMS phone lead system using this interactive phone funnel, or over here on the right, you'll see, guys, you can actually put an additional 3 programs that you want to promote. Over here on the right, whatever you want to promote. You can see I got 2 in here. I'm setting it up now. But you can put 3 additional programs over here, right? And what will happen is you got an automated what we call a virtual assistant. And let me show you what I'm talking about, because you can promote either a big ticket program here, you can promote SMS phone leads, or you can promote whatever you want. You can see you got 3 choices here. But when you do that, what will happen is you'll be inside your actual funnel, and you will set this up. 5 minutes, guys. That's what I'm telling you. That's how long it takes to do. Then once your particular potential prospects dial your number, and remember, you can still use this in places like Craigslist, classified ads, Facebook, YouTube, SoloAds, postcards, business cards. Your prospects dial the number that you've been assigned, and let the virtual assistant take over and do all of your lead generation presentations for you. This new system that Tim has created is truly off the chain. Like I said, guys, without even trying, it's been months since I've done an actual video on SMS phone leads. I was really perplexed because I really love the way the system worked. I was waiting for Tim to get it reconfigured, which he has. I think he bought it back online. I think it was in December. And now, guys, we're off to the races again, okay? So again, guys, go ahead on. If you haven't already, there'll be a link in the YouTube video description area where you guys can actually check out the actual SMS phone lead sales funnel. It's in that description area. You'll get to see all the benefits that you got there. And if you guys are popping into this video and it's already in motion, I implore you to dial that number to see the demo again, which is 301-298-3842. Watch your mobile device's text message inbox. You can set this whole thing up in 5 minutes. I'm loving it. Remember, when you join, guys, I'm going to throw in all of these bonuses for you. And I hope to hear from you guys soon. Hopefully, I'll be talking to you, and you guys will be able to start implementing text message marketing in your business, right, within the next few hours, guys, okay? Anyway, as always, this is your boy, Marlon O Bennett, wishing you guys wisdom, peace, prosperity, and to living a dynamic digital internet lifestyle without limits. Keep banging, guys. I'll see you on the next video.